Hello student, this is Swada from Holy Children Public School and Hostel. Before watching this video, press the bell icon, subscribe and like this channel to get more exciting informations. So today I am here to teach you Science of Class 6 Chapter 4, that is sorting materials into groups. The process of grouping or sorting out the object is called classification. This group is done in the variety of ways. Things having similarities or dissimilarities. Second, living and non-living things. Third, naturally occurring materials and man-made materials. So what are materials? The things that we see around us are called materials. Examples: steel, wood, plastics, leather, and etc. Kind of materials. Materials can be categorized into two classes, and these are naturally occurring materials and man-made materials. Coming to the first one, that is natural occurring materials. The materials which occur in nature are called naturally occurring materials. For example, wood, cotton, silk, jute, sand, mud, and vegetables are the examples of naturally occurring materials. Second one is man-made materials. The material which do not occur in nature but are made by man by combining two or more natural materials, are called man-made materials. Examples are plastic, glass, nylon, soaps, and etc. are the man-made materials. Now coming to the next topic, that is important properties of materials. We can say use of materials depend upon its property. Let us learn about some important properties of materials. First one is appearance. Material usually look different from each other. Mud looks different from wood and wood looks different from copper. So appearance wise they are different from each other. Second thing is hardness. Substance which can be scratched or compressed easily are called soft. On the other hand, a hard substance is one that can't be scratched. Coming to the third property, that is solubility or insolubility. Substances which dissolves in water are called soluble, whereas which do not dissolves in water are called insoluble. Example: sugar are soluble substances and sand are insoluble substances. And the fourth quality is transparency. We can see clearly through object like glass and water. They are known as transparent object.